First thing we have to do is to import the file that we want to cut. So we just open and select import and resize the file. We should place the image in the left lower corner of the paper, because that is the home of our CNC. Then we go to vectorize bitmap image and we convert the image to a bitmap. We delete the image and we keep the bitmap. Then we select path, object to path to convert the object to a path. Then we go to select the image, the bitmap, and then we select the dynamic offset, and we go to extensions, Gcode tools, and select orientation points. Here we select how deep do we want to cut, and then apply and close the box. Again we go to extensions, Gcode tools, and then we select tools library, and we select the tool that we want. After that we select the text tool, and we are going to edit the tool diameter. Mine is 1 millimeter. Then we select the feed speed and we choose one that we want. The penetration angle is always 90 degrees. The penetration feed, yeah, I select 50, but it can be faster. And then we select how deep we want to go in each step. I have selected 0.05 millimeters. So now we select our image, we go to dynamic path, image, and then we go to extensions again, Gcode tools, we click path to Gcode, and then we select the name of the file and where we want to keep it. And then we go here and we click apply. Okay, we close to the candle and say open, and we go to where we keep the file, all files, and we go to the clock, and here it is. We will cut 2 millimeters in steps of a half millimeter.